Lon, the Budget Wise Dad here with another tip for saving you some money. If you don't have a laser bore kit yet, then you need to get one of these if you're going to the range. How many times have you gone to the range and your first magazine that you sent down there was all over the place, maybe missing the target totally or down way off to the side? You know, takes you a little bit of time to dial it in sometimes and get more into this area that you're actually aiming for. So instead of wasting tons of ammunition and things like that, this laser bore kit will save you both time and money. Let me show you what the kit has to offer and how you're going to use it. All right, first of all, it does come in this nice little case here, and it's got the foam up top. First thing I'd like to show you is the actual laser bore itself. This is the laser bore sighter. You have a couple batteries here. Simply just twist this off. Slide that battery in there. And screw it back together. Very nice and simple. This literally will cover just about every type, from a pistol, rifle, shotgun, does not matter. All different sizes. So you have all these different adapters. I'm going to take this larger one here so that you can see. And all you're going to simply do is you take the laser bore, the tip of it, you slide it into this. Comes with a bag of these screws here. Comes with a little screwdriver, and then you're just going to screw this in. For the sake of this video, I cannot show the whole assembly of what this is used for, but I took the barrel out. You're going to keep it in when doing it. Find the best piece that will fit. Then you're going to slide it into the front of your barrel and push it all the way into this seat's flush. That way, when you turn the laser on, it's going to be going straight. If you don't do that, it's going to sag, as you can kind of see right there. And then the laser is going to go down. So you want to get this all the way in. Make sure that the piece is nice and snug. And let's show you what it looks like on the target. Now, while this can go much further, I'm going to shoot this video at about 10 yards. Again, I'm just going to be holding the barrel with the boresight laser inside. And as you can see there, and then you line that up, looking through your scope, your red dot, your green dot, your iron sights, whatever it is, and see that the laser is right where you are aiming. So instead of just going out to the range, looking through your sight, whatever it is that you're using, whatever type of optic you're using, and just hoping that you have it zeroed in and hoping that you have everything lined up and that your aim is good, you might be missing that target on the first few or handful. You might be really off a little bit. So this will help you get in, which will help save you money, help save you time, and help you build accuracy. So if you don't already have a laser bore sight, check out this one here from OWLSHOOT. It has just about everything that you need to fit any size barrel, and you'll be on your way to building better accuracy.